Welcome to today's video. If you're looking to enhance your privacy on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable the option that allows others to discover your profile using your phone number. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, locate the Me icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile and account settings. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this section, look for the option labeled Visibility and tap on it. This is where LinkedIn stores all the settings related to who can view or discover your profile. Under Visibility, find and select Profile Discovery using phone number. This setting determines who can find your LinkedIn profile if they have your phone number. Now you'll see several options for who can discover you. Everyone, second-degree connections, or nobody. To completely disable this feature and ensure no one can find your profile using your phone number, choose Nobody. And that's it. You've successfully disabled this feature. By doing this, you're taking an important step towards safeguarding your privacy on LinkedIn. Keep in mind that while this setting enhances your privacy, it may also limit how easily potential employers or connections can find you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to explore other privacy settings on LinkedIn to customize your experience further. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.